Hey guys, it's Keisha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I talk about everything about making money, whether it's a side hustle, whether it's a work from home opportunity, a part-time work from home opportunity, a full-time work from home opportunity for you to work actually for a company. I'm going to be sharing opportunities for you to make money. Majority of the opportunities will be side hustles, things that you can do outside of your traditional job. But then sometimes I have some great opportunities. If you're looking to make a transition into a new position, I'll share those opportunities as well. My name is Keisha, and I have a cool weekend side hustle you guys can do anytime. It could be weekend, it can be during the week, whatever works for you. I do most of my shopping on the weekend, so I call this my weekend side hustle. Let me just jump right into it. I've talked to you guys about this opportunity before in the past, and this opportunity is called Product Tube. But today they sent me, or yesterday they sent me, that they have 2 referrals right now, and they really need people all over, but they have 2 particular projects. So if you are in this area, let me just tell you, if you are a female, they're looking for females 18 to 54 in the Missouri or Texas area who shop for adult or children's upper respiratory care products at Walmart. So if you're here in the Texas area or the Missouri area, you'll get paid for this project. If you have friends you want to refer this project to, you'll also get paid another $20. So I always try to share when they have, especially referral bonuses. I try to share this with people in those areas so that they can go ahead and share it with their friends. And if you go out to the store and just do the quick review, you make $20. If you refer a friend, you can make anywhere. Like they have so many opportunities. I'm going to show you something. Just wait 1 second. So if you're a female and you're in the Missouri or Texas area, 18 to 54, there's an opportunity. This link will be below this video in the comments. Just click on the link, go ahead and download the Product Tube app and do the review today. Share with your friends on social media and you'll make $20. Like, come on, no brainer, right? So they have another one. This one is for a project for, they're looking for participants 18 to 54 who are buyers of premium ready to drink single serve coffee. So, like your, Starbucks or, Dunkin' Donuts coffee drinks. So that's easy. You just have to live in these areas. And this one is particularly for the New York area. So this would be for my friends in the New York area who are interested in doing a quick review. Also the cool thing about it, if you refer your friends, then you that live in the New York area and that do the review, you earn the money as well. So I always like to share little tips like this, especially for those moms who maybe are in a couponing group or moms who are in like some type of group and they share like information like this because, $20, hey, you make the money. And if you refer friends, you can make some more money. And it's just a way for you to use that money for whatever extracurricular activities, extra activities for your kids at school, pocket the money, pay off some debt, whatever you want to do. Okay. So I've done this for about 8 months now. I've talked about it before here on my YouTube channel. I've talked about it on my Facebook page, just so you guys will know. Here's the app and here how the products come in new. So they have, they should have 2 new products, 2 new projects. I'm sorry. So 2 new projects. There's one for $50 and one for $10. I'll do those today. The money comes via Amazon. If you haven't seen my Product Tube video in the past, look below in the description box. I'll link this one to this video. I'll put it in the comments below, but it's reviews, earn money while you shop. So basically, if you're shopping and they're asking you to review, like one time I did the Glade plugins for them and I was already going to the grocery store. So I made a quick $15 off of that, right? And you just answer their questions. So like this one they have, they want me to do upper respiratory care products, right? So I'm going to find this store and I'm going to go in it and I'm going to do the review. When you apply for it, then they gives you, when you hit apply, they'll tell you what they want. They want you to start the video before you enter the store. So before I enter the store, I'll turn my camera on. They tell us the store name and the address, and then you'll say that on the video. If you see any displays or signs that catch your eye that you would normally stop at, please include them in your video. Show and tell us your video how you are going to select the right product for you. As you walk towards the aisle, you must answer the following. What specific symptoms, if any, are you currently experiencing? So if you're getting upper respiratory products, you're probably having coughs, colds, chest cold, something like that. So you would explain that. And which type of products are you planning to buy today? You let them know. Like, normally during the cold and flu season, I'm going to buy, some type of cough syrup, some type of tablet I can take in the day that doesn't make me drowsy. It depends. This is how I would talk on the video, what I would do, whatever you do. Do you have any specific brands or products in mind? So normally I would say what I normally buy, whether that be Theraflu, Mucinex, Dayquil, Highlands if I'm buying for my son, Dimetap if I'm buying for my son. And I would just talk like normal. How are you planning to select the right products? So basically, I would just go from there and answer all the questions. They give you opportunity to make your video window small so you can read along with the instructions. It's very easy, guys. So just so you know, I've done this for about 8 months. I've talked about it on my YouTube channel before, just so you guys can see. Since I've been doing it, I made $335. It comes in Amazon bucks. You can make more if you share and you have a network of friends, especially when they give those referrals and they're in the areas where you have your friends. You can make some extra money, especially if you're in a group of moms who like to take advantage of coupons, savings. They're using some type of Instacart or way to save when they shop. You could share this in your network and make extra money at the same time. Do the reviews and make just some extra money. I used this money for my son's Christmas. Didn't pay for a lot of his Christmas gifts. He didn't. You get all that money himself, but I used it for my son and my niece this year for Christmas. All the money just sat on Amazon until I got ready to use it. So just a great way just to earn some extra money. It's easy, simple. You're already shopping. You're already there. Takes about 5 to 10 minutes to do a quick review, and you can make I think one time I did 3 reviews at 3 stores and made a quick $55. So, hey, easy peasy. Have a good day. Join me back later. I'm going to be doing 2 extra side hustles and 2 job opportunities on my side hustle video. Just know on this channel, I'm going to share every opportunity with you for you to make money, whether it's side money or a remote job that you can do part-time from home or a full-time job that you can do from home. Even I'll share opportunities with companies who have great opportunities for you to actually work for their company. Walk in the door every day, 9 to 5, 8 to whatever. I'm going to share side hustle opportunities, cool opportunities that I find to help you either make money on the side or transition to something new. You guys have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you hit subscribe, push that notification button so every time I upload these amazing videos about these amazing ways for you to make extra money, to save money, or to have money for you and your family to do extracurricular activity or to get out of debt or whatever you want to do with this money, make sure you hit that notification button so every time I upload, have a good one. Drop me a comment below and give me a like. Have a good one. Bye-bye.